So what's your name?
My name is Sami.
And what do you do?
I am a search arbitrage consultant. I collaborate with companies and launch search arbitrage activities.
All right, so our channel is for beginners and we teach affiliate marketing, how they can get into search arbitrage or affiliate marketing. So what advice do you have for them?
Well, it'll sound like a sales call, but really it's a very niche specific environment to itself. I really recommend speaking to someone like me with any question they have, because rather very high entry barrier, very technical field to function in. So get a consultant or speak to people who already runs this and how much ever they want to share information. But really, it's a very specific niche and very different animal in terms of how you manage media or what kind of automation systems are built and stuff. So I really recommend speaking to someone who's in the industry for a long time already.
All right, so you being an expert, so can you share which traffic sources are performing best right now for search arbitrage?
Right now, so Google released a new feed called RSOC, something like half a year ago. And the main traffic source right now is Meta. GDN it works. Taboola, some search feeds started accepting. This is the spectrum for now. It will expand into TikTok. Let's not forget TikTok. It's also a player. It will expand into a lot more traffic sources in time, because the previous product almost worked with all traffic sources. But now there's a new Google product, and the market is slowly adapting to it.
Yeah, that's true. So do you have any insights at which feeds are working best right now?
It's a very tricky question, because feeds work to you depending on what kind of technology you built towards which feed. Right. So I think if you ask 10 people this question, every single of them will give you a different answer.
True.
Look, I like working with companies which have speedy response, and we can work with them in short term and do a lot of stuff. So that's why I work with Israeli companies, because they are situated close to me, and we have very quick working cycles with them. I think Predicto is very good. Airfind is really good. Although they sit in US, we do a lot of work with them. But any search provider can be very, very good depending on how your relationship is and what kind of systems you run under the hood.
That is true. If there is a beginner, what is the one feed that they should start with? Any recommendation?
Beginner that comes with no experience, I think they should agree with a SaaS platform who's connected to a lot of feeds right now, so that they would pay a little fee for it. But this would be the easiest way to gain some traction, or easiest way to gain a little experience. Going to a direct feed with no experience, I think it doesn't make sense. They won't give it to you. They won't give it to you because domains in the RSOC market is very, very limited right now. So supply is very limited right now.
That is true. All right, thank you so much for all the questions. Really nice talking to you.
You too.
Thank you.